Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a note on iPhone. So as you know, there is Notes application already included on your iPhone, and that application have a lot of great options that I will try to show you some of them now and how to use that app. So first of all, you have to open the Notes app, and if you can't find it, you have just to go to the App Store and look for Notes, and you will find it, and you can download it totally for free and you will not pay anything to use it. Click on Notes, open it. So to add a new note, you have just to click on that like writing icon on the bottom right of the screen. Click on it, and this is your note. So on the top of it, you can put your title. I will name it YouTube Notes. And after that, you can start typing, and there is a lot of options and a lot of things that you can do with the Notes app. So first of all, you can choose what is the format of text that you want to use. Almost the same formatting options that you can find in some softwares like Microsoft Word. So for example, you can make your text bold, italic, you can put a line below it and things like that. And you can make it like bullets or make it lists with number or whatever thing you want to do. Of course, you can choose here whatever things you want to do. You can choose also what is the color of the text that you want to type and the alignment of your text, how your text is aligned. So for example, I will, as you can see here, I will type YouTube, and you can see, let me just get it back. And if you don't want, or if you want to cancel this, you have just to go again here and just deselect this and came here, select your text, select the text from here. Let's click on select, and after that you can edit it. You can edit this format of it. For example, if I want to edit things, I can translate it, I can do a lot of things here with it. For example, let me write it again. Okay, let's delete that. And see the options. You are looking to more options available here. And you can, I told you here, let's cancel this or change it to blue. So it changed to blue. You can also make a checklist with it, add a checklist. You can also create a table, as you can see. I will type YouTube videos, Tunisia, US. You can type whatever thing you want, and by clicking enter, you will add more space in that table. You can also attach files by clicking on that paperclip icon. You can scan text, scan document, take photos, videos, record audio, whatever things you want. You can type with pen on it. Use the pen tool and type whatever you want with pen. And add it as signature. For example, if you have you add your own signature in a document. And you have a lot of options that you can use on this application. You can, I told you, for the text, the alignment of text. So there is a lot of formatting options, and after you complete everything, you have just to click on that yellow icon on the bottom, on the top right of the screen, And that's it. You can go out after that, and as you can see, your notes will stay there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.